How to turn on sensitive content on Twitter. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can actually basically turn on sensitive content on Twitter, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to turn on sensitive content on Twitter, all you have to do is just go ahead and first of all launch the Twitter app. Once you launch the Twitter app, you have to just tap your profile icon from the top left, and then just look at the bottom. You'll find settings and support. Just expand the drop down menu, and then again you'll find the option called settings and privacy. Tap on settings and privacy. Now once you go to settings and privacy over here, you'll find an option that says privacy and safety right over here. Just tap on privacy and safety, and then here you'll find content you see. So tap on content you see. So over here you can see this toggle that says display media that make content sensitive content. By default, Twitter is going to turn this off because it might think that you don't want to see some sensitive content. But if you do want to enable it, all you need to do is just turn on the toggle next to display media that make content sensitive content. You can also search for specific topics if you like, and then you can also go ahead and search for explore settings and then some search settings if you'd like to go ahead and then turn on some sensitive content. So over here you can simply go ahead and actually turn off this toggle that says hide sensitive content as well. This is simply how you can go ahead and then actually turn on sensitive content on Twitter. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.